Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for October 26th through November 9th. For October 26th to the 30th, a ridge is forecast to remain over the Gulf of Alaska, you see it here, and over the North Atlantic and into the east, but not as strong as previous days. And we have a trough that extends from near Greenland here into the western U.S. And this will allow Arctic air to pour into the west and the Central Plains. And the western trough will track very slowly eastward in time. Because it starts out back here, and then you see it slowly also lifting out, weakening, and sliding to the east. Now, the Arctic front will sink south through the western and northern plains as a cold Canadian high sinks into the Rockies, and we'll take a look at that. Here's our cold Canadian high bringing cold air, possible ice and snow parts of the southern plains. And this will spread cold air to the Rockies and plains on Monday. Record-breaking lows will be possible in many locations. As the cold air spreads eastward, it will moderate with anomalies of 5 to 15 degrees below normal from the upper Midwest and Northeast, because the anomalies here in the West will be closer to like 30 or 40 degrees below normal. And an upslope flow behind the front will cause widespread snow across the Rockies. And above normal precipitation forecast for much of the West. Now, showers and thunderstorms are forecast in the Ohio, Tennessee Valley, lower Mississippi Valley on Monday as the upper low moves into the southern plains. We'll take a look at that. And here's our upper low. We'll go to another map. Here's our upper low down here. And now we're here. This is European deterministics. Now we're here on Wednesday the 28th compared to same period with the GFS. And then here's our upper low here with the heavy rain and storms, and this will continue to lift out, and this will spread the rain into the mid-Atlantic late in the week. See it right here. The GFS is a little bit faster than the European. Okay. All right, now we're going to look at the period for October 31st and November 4th. And a zonal flow is forecast to develop across much of the nation. You can see it right here, near the above normal heights, as this trough kind of weakens and lifts out. So I'm forecasting for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures west of the divide, and for the southeast, the Tennessee Valley and the mid-Atlantic region, with the anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. And then we have below normal temperatures for much of this area here, with the anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the Pacific coast. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Then we have above normal precipitation forecast for much of this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Looking ahead for the period for November 5th to the 9th. And a zonal flow is forecast on much of the nation, but near to above normal heights. I was looking at other forecast models of temperatures. They're very bringing a trough into the east. But then if you take a look at the... Did I close it? Okay, the European Weekly, let me see if I have it. Okay, I think I closed it. This agrees well with the European Weekly, more like this. European Weekly shows this kind of a pattern. So I'm forecasting for this forecast period. above normal temperatures for much of this region, and I'm forecasting anomalies of near 4 degrees above normal. And then the temperatures elsewhere, like in the east across this area, it will be either side of a degree or two, either side of normal, close to normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region here, from the Mississippi Valley to the Pacific Coast, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for October 26th through November 9th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.